Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza dough at home without yeast. To begin, gather your ingredients. You will need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. For the wet ingredients, prepare 3/4 of a cup of warm water and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. This simple combination creates a delicious, quick crust without any waiting time for rising. First, in a large bowl, whisk together your 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Ensure these dry ingredients are well combined. Next, pour in the 3/4 of a cup of warm water and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix with a spoon until a shaggy dough forms, then turn it out onto a lightly floured surface. Knead for approximately 5 minutes until smooth. After kneading, let your dough rest for about 10 minutes. This brief rest helps the gluten relax, making it easier to roll. Lightly flour your work surface and a rolling pin. Roll the dough into a circular shape, aiming for diameter of about 12 inches and a thickness of about 1/8 of an inch. Carefully transfer your perfectly shaped dough onto a prepared pizza pan or a preheated pizza stone. Now for the final step, baking. Preheat your oven to a hot 450 degrees Fahrenheit. For a crispier crust, you can pre-bake the dough for 5 to 7 minutes before adding any toppings. Once lightly golden, remove it from the oven, add your desired sauce, cheese, and other delicious toppings. Return the pizza to the oven and bake for an additional 10 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is bubbly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.